Hello everyone, we are Team CryptoMiners. Today, I'm excited to present an application that seamlessly combines student voting with the course feedback. Imagine a platform where students can not only vote in election but also provide valuable feedback for all their courses in one integrated system. So this integration solves two critical aspects of our education experience, making process more efficient and user-friendly. So let's talk about the backbone of our application, that is the Ethereum blockchain. In our application, it plays a crucial role in conducting student elections and collecting course feedback. With the use of this blockchain, every vote and every piece of feedback is recorded transparently and securely on the blockchain. This means no more doubts about the fairness of election or the authenticity of course feedback. Central to our application are the smart contracts which are deployed on the Ethereum blockchain. These are programmed contracts which are deployed. So let's talk about some of the functionalities included in our application. There are two types of contracts. One is voting election, the other is course feedback. In voting election, admins can create multiple elections at the same time. Admin can also add eligible candidates for an election. Uh, Admin can verify the voters, and voters can vote for multiple registered elections. Admin can also end an election to display the voting results. For the course feedback, admin can create course feedback and students can add corresponding course feedback for a course. And students can view the course feedback after admin ends the feedback for the course. So this is the high-level architecture of our application. There are two types of users. One is the admin and the other is a normal user. Admin creates the new election, and after creating the election, admin can add candidates for the election. The next step is admin can verify the voters for the election. After all the voters have voted in this particular election, admin can end the election. For the course feedback contract, admin can create a new course feedback and end the course feedback. For the normal user, if the election is active, he joins the election, and if the voter is verified, the voter will be eligible to vote in the particular election. If the election is inactive, the voter can check the election results. If the feedback is active, the user can submit course feedback for the particular course. If the course feedback is inactive, the user can check for all the feedback for the particular course. So our application design uses two-tier architecture. Our backend is the blockchain backend, which are Ethereum smart contracts, and the front end is built using React.js. These are some of the technologies used for this project. Let's get back to the demo. Let's look at the first part of the application, that is voting election. So this is the admin dashboard where the admin can create new elections. A couple of pages for this admin, like where admin can verify the voter, admin can add candidates for the particular election. So let's create a new election. After confirming the transaction, this election gets added to the below list. So the next step is admin adds a list of candidates for this particular election. So one candidate is added to this particular election. Let's add a couple of more candidates. So three candidates got added to this particular election. So next step is candidates gets registered to this particular election. So let's switch to the candidate account. So this is the candidate UI of the homepage, where candidates can see the list of active and inactive elections. They can enter to the join election page and register for this new election. Let's switch to candidate to account. The candidate enters in asu.edu email address. It gets auto verified by the admin. Otherwise, admin need explicit approval for this candidate. So if we switch to this election again, we cannot register for the same election for a particular candidate. Let's switch to candidate 3 account and do the same thing. Three candidates got registered for this particular action. Now let's go back to the admin page where admin can verify these voters. So these are the ongoing elections in the admin dashboard. So this is the election which we have created just now. So its status is active. Once we end this election, results will be displayed to the voters. So the next step is to verify the voters. So candidate 1 got registered with gmail.com and candidate 2 is with asg.edu, so it is auto verified, and candidate 3 is with Gmail, so it is not verified. So 1 and 3 candidates need to be verified by the admin. Let's verify them. This is still an ongoing election. If we go to the results page and select the current election which we have created, so its status is still voting in progress, and voters cannot see the results until the admin ends the election. So we can see the past election results which are inactive and check the winner. So let's vote for this particular election. Going to the candidate account. By going to the voting page and selecting this particular election, let's say candidate 1 votes for the first candidate. Once he votes, he cannot vote again for this in the same election. Let's switch to candidate 2 and vote for the second candidate. Switch to candidate 3. And vote for the first candidate again. Let's go to the admin account and end this election to display the results to the voters. So we're ending this particular election. So if you go to the results page, check out this election, results will be displayed on this page with the number of votes for the respective users. Now let's look at the course feedback part of the application. So this is admin dashboard for course feedback, where admin can add a new course for the feedback registration. So let's say we enter CC 300, session as fall 2023. After approving the transaction, this course will be added into the existing list of courses. So now the users can perform the feedback additions for this course. So once the admin decides to close this feedback, that is when all the candidates can view the feedbacks for all the courses. So let's go to the candidate dashboard. So here candidate can submit feedback for the available list of courses where the feedback is not closed. So here we can give a feedback for this course. After approving the transaction, this feedback let's save it to that particular course. Let's go to the second candidate and submit the feedback. Let's do the same for candidate 3 as well. Now let's go to the admin dashboard and close the feedback for this particular course. Here the admin can close the feedback for this particular course. Now we can go to the candidates account and see the list of feedback for the particular course. If you scroll down, we can view the feedbacks. So these are all the feedbacks given by multiple candidates for the particular course. You can do the same for other courses as well.